Okay, my people, this na man on the street and I dey for inside PG News Network. Make una no forget say na here we dey get news back to back, front to front, from crosswater, from within. Social life, sport, and other metan to make una dey go serere werere. My people, this one just dey touch light as it dey happen seriously. Yawa don gas for Nisha Asaba Expressway as a serious accident don happen for that place where one trailer cut rope for leaving lane, enter another next lane. That is the so you go call on the opposite lane or the opposite coming vehicle lane as the English go. But my people, wetin shock me be say the way the accident go, e just be like say wish carrying children and in neighbor children just go sit down for road for that place because the trailer knack one motor, knack another motor. Na so that motor wey trailer knack go knack another motor, go knack another one. E come be like 20 motor don jam body hit themselves there for this common accident wey happen. So my people, wetin be this? So many injuries don dey there, so many destruction, so many motor don kpafuka, some self no fit right again. My people, abeg make we careful for highway matter if we dey drive, and all this our trailer drivers dem abeg. I dey suspect say some of una sef dey smoke different things before una drive. Dey take different drug. E no good at all. E no suppose to follow at all when you dey drive for highway. And if you dey drive for highway too, abeg make you sef be careful and dey watch you, because they say when you dey drive, you dey carry the mind of 3 people dey waka. The person wey dey your front, the person wey dey your back, the one wey dey your side, and the one wey dey the other side. Na you dey help the control. My people, abeg make we take am easy and make we make our road accident free. This na man on the street and I dey for inside PG News Network.